The Audi almost fucking rear-ended that. Good morning, everyone. It is Sunday as of right now, and on Sundays there's Supercar Sundays all the way in Woodland Hills, which we consider the valley. I want to do a couple things today. One is possibly drive out there and see if it's even still going, because it's a little bit later in the day. I had tons of work this morning, so I'm leaving a little bit late, but I'm gonna try to make it. Look at your light spotted here. What's up, dude? How's it going?
I knew it felt like a trap when I came.
Here's my WR. Hey guys, I'm in Woodland Hills, Supercar Sunday. I arrived super late because family and work stuff. But I spotted someone. I want to show you guys this guy because he's an OG. Come here. Check it out. Look at his shirt.
Good, man. How's it going?
Drift shirt right here. Yeah, always, man. This car drives amazing on a track. Just to let you guys know.
Sounds like a Mustang.
Jeez, but he didn't go anywhere. Say what's up, dude.
Hey, what's up, man? What's up, guys?
Last time was a Peterson.
Yeah.
In LA.
Yep.
Rooftop. Super Street. That shit was crazy.
It was actually me and Sam, my friend. We chased you down all the way.
Okay.
The garage.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Was it? Oh wait. Yeah, we were leaving.
Yeah, you guys were leaving. Yeah.
I remember sometimes. I've never been to this event. It's cool.
Yeah, it's
I can't imagine how it looks in the morning because even.
Sunday.
Hey, leave in the comments below. Should I big wing the GTR? Should I big wing it? Should I go big wing, gang? Nah? Nah? Okay, hold on. Look. Big wing. Watch. Duckbill. What do you guys think? I like Duckbill. God damn. What's that, bro? Got big wing, big muscles. Freaking quad tips. Oh, wet. Any of you guys R8 V10 fans over here? Ooh, yes. Andy in LA over here.
What's up, Andy?
Look at this.
Oh, here's my piece de resistance. Here, take a quick.
And former Subaru owner?
Oh,
or still?
I had a
current.
WRX, then went to STI, and I'm back to WRX wide body.
Whoa, bro, that is
You ain't got
carbon
that
as
back there.
fuck. Wow. Well, I don't even use my back seat. It has a cage.
Well, I know, but I don't have a cage, but I have the white, you know.
Dude, look how much carbon. This car has more carbon than I do. And I thought I had a lot of carbon. Wow. Carbon. Oh shit, carbon column? Carbon sides? Carbon vents? Damn, dude. There's a lot of carbon.
Hey, and I'm friends with Matt Subi, too.
Oh, Matt.
Matt Subi.
Damn. We know the same people.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's
How
like,
crazy.
I'm in LA, you're down in kind of Orange County area?
Yeah. Yeah, all the way out east now. I like your rear diffuser.
Yeah, thanks.
Damn. Car talk with guys. I like your rear diffuser, bro. Can I touch your steering wheel? It's not weird. I know, right?
I like your big wing.
Chris just said, do you mind if I sit on it?
I got the full Armatrix.
Yeah, looks good.
Race white pipe. I paid extra for those matte black tips. You know, I'm sure you got
I like.
You got the Ecutech dongle.
Yeah.
Bluetooth.
Yeah. I really like this. I think if mine, because I like white cars a lot. If I did a white car, it'd be like this. JDM as fuck, bro. JDM as fuck. Valve stem is carbon. I think you're more Asian than I am, dude.
I'm from Hawaii, bro. I'm way more Asian than you are.
What's up, guys? How's it going? You guys were the one. How'd it sound? Amazing, yeah? Look, we spotted something interesting, but it's convertible. What?
I thought 1Js were reliable. Julio, what's up?
This is so interesting. Oh, there we go. Convertible. Are you leaving?
Yeah.
The car's interesting.
Thank you. Oh, there is the interesting part.
Oh, interesting to me. What year?
JC, 92.
92. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Yeah.
We popped the hood, guys. Watch out. The hood, what's going on over here? Something special? Oh shit. Okay. Shit. Super sleeper. The interior is very clean.
I got it 2 years ago and start fixing it. It was all dent. Previous owner, somebody didn't like her, and the car had kicks all around. I did the bodywork, paint, cheap paint. It looks nice, but it was cheap. And then swapped the engine because I can't stand the other one for a Toyota one.
Yeah.
And that's it. It came out like that. Nice. OEM, except for the color.
Yeah.
But a lot of mods on it.
How much horsepower?
Around 300 to between 250 to 300. It's stock. So it's good enough for this car. It's day and night. Changed a lot.
It's crazy. You have Instagram?
S Chassis loyalty.
Okay.
For everybody who loves S Chassis.
Yeah. Man, you just never know what kind of cars you'll see out here. What you got here? Let me see.
Man, that's my brand. It's called Iarumas.
Oh shit.
Spelled samurai backwards, man.
Oh what?
So there it goes, little brand.
Yeah. Flip. Oh, okay. Oh, let me feel. Okay, that's actually pretty good, man.
Thanks, man. You
I
inspired me.
like. What's the website?
I'm still working on the website.
Okay.
Still working out all the kinks. But Mike inspired me, so thanks for the shout out, Mike.
Cool. What's your Instagram?
It's _Iarumas. Still in the works, in the early stages, but I'm gonna get there.
Here we go.
Thanks.
Best of luck to you, man.
Thanks, man.
Best of luck to you. The beginning of a young entrepreneur right there. Is being brave enough to talk about it and say it and then push it. That's right there. That's how it starts. Good shit, man. Good props, man. Props. The GTR squad's leaving. All the big boys. All right, see you, dude. I'll hit you up on Instagram.
I was gonna say you answer your DM.
Yeah, I will. Later, man. Sounds good.
Yeah, heavy. I changed the springs and that's it. Bye, guys.
See ya. Yada gang. The final edition right here. No more. They got scared of the Subarus, that's why. They're like, can't handle. Oh, the GTs are starting up. All the big boys are leaving. Big boys are leaving. Hey, I don't know if you guys saw, but the Audi almost fucking rear-ended that car. You see him? Yeah. Fuck. Like right at that light over there. Look. Just like high school, I'm all alone again. I'm sitting by myself. Squad over here. It's a gangsters in it. Right here. See, this is how it starts. The clothes in the trunk. Right there. That's how it all starts. Right there. This is the beginning right here. Look at this label is clean. I like it. It's for me.
you, Mike.
Fuck. Thank you,
Mike.
thank you.
Shout out, Mike, man.
Thank you. Ooh, it's mighty hot in here, but you guys, that right there is super low key. I bet your early morning would have been so nice. They said first Sundays are really big. They call it SUPERCAR Sunday. I think they have an Instagram for it. A lot of cool cars, super chill event. If you guys want to come out, really clean cars, this is probably a good spot to be. Even arriving 2 hours after the opening time, you had a lot of nice cars all over the place, from Muscle to JDM to even like your Honda boys over there, your Miata guys, your super expensive cars, your Lambos over here. So definitely, if you guys are in like the Woodland Hills area, I think this is the city. It's like the valley of LA. This is a pretty good spot to be. A lot of good money out here, dude. A lot of big money out here. Right now, instead of driving all the way home, I'm gonna find a little Starbucks and just kind of do some work, hang out for a bit, and then see what else we can do. I have a couple hours to kill, so I decided to go into a parking structure. And currently going the wrong way, but listen. Car is so loud. I'm just trying to find a really cool spot to park so I can take a picture. The car is so loud in here. Oh, you can hear the turbo. Cool spot for a picture right here. Oh, I found a cool spot. Nobody around. See how the car looks. Oh, okay. Car looks good. Look at the scenery, it's nice here. Check it out. Nice. Open fields. Guys, so I have a few hours to kill before I get any other work done. So I figured I'd park the car, take some cool pictures, and then actually head into the mall and find a really cool, quiet spot to do work. I drove an hour here. I really don't want to go home. So might as well just kind of make the best of the day. Currently inside the mall. Look at this food court. I had a little bit of Panda just now, and then I am editing basically today's video. So the idea is to try to be ahead of schedule. So what I did was I edited a bit of today's video right here, and then that way later tonight I can just add in the rest of it just in case I get too busy with the family. Yeah. Alrighty, back to the work.